Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Today I am making squid. Yeah, fried squid with we have spring onion, coriander, onion, garlic, and green chili, and we have a spicy chili sauce, salt, and oil. I'll be adding up oil. I'll be putting the onion and the garlic. We will saute for 2 minutes. I'll be adding up the green chilies, spring onion. I'll be adding some salt. Now I'll be adding the squid. I'll be adding black pepper. I'll be adding the chili sauce. Right now, the dish is ready. We will dish out now. It is Chinese style squid. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper, squid. We'll add some coriander.